This old guy DIY video has to do with various aspects of performing maintenance and learning about this Polaris 2010 RZR 800. I've been screwing around with the lighting issues on this RZR for the last hour or so. I found that the ground that was coming up here to the back, and it's daisy chained between these three different lights, the ground was actually bad. So once I fixed that, all of those lights work the way they should. See that passenger side light is on. There's no light here on the driver's side. So I'm going to grab the bulb out of the passenger side, put it on the driver's side, see if my problem is a bulb or if it's wiring. I don't need to swap the bulbs. When I look at this one, you can see how it's discolored there. And I just pulled the other one out of the housing and took a look at it. So I believe this, in fact, is bad. This is what the good one looks like. This is what the bulb assembly looks like. Now I'll go online, see what it's going to cost to get a new one. Since I was going to have to order a part, I wanted to confirm that the bulb was good. And when I came over here to the driver's side and plugged it in, I still don't have any light. And this piece of harness fell out from under the vehicle. So it looks like I have a wiring problem over here that may have caused that other bulb to blow. And in the meantime, I'll have to order at least one. I returned the passenger side bulb to the passenger side and it's still good. So I'll order one, not two. And after ordering a headlight this morning, I was trying to determine what the problem is, because I had taken the ballast, and when I put the good light from the other side into this side, it would not work. So I wondered if I had a wiring problem. So I ended up removing all the zip ties so I could get to the ballast on the passenger side, which is now right here. This is the ballast that had been on the driver's side. So I took the good bulb, I put it into this ballast, and I plugged this ballast into the wiring on the passenger side, and no light. So then I took the ballast known to be good from the passenger side, put it over here on the driver's side, and now with the light and the ballast that had previously been on the passenger side, flip the switch and we have light. So I now know that I also have to buy another ballast. Back to the internet. The new ballast from Amazon arrived today, so I just plugged it in to do a function check. And yes, it works, so that's encouraging. The new bulb should be here in a couple of days. Today I received the new lights from HID Nation. These things came from China, and they have a nice protective case on the light themselves. So now I'm going to plug these into the ballast that I got from Amazon earlier in the week, and we'll see if we have headlights on both sides. The new Amazon ballast and lights from HID Nation give this vehicle headlights. Mission accomplished.